Hello everyone, I hope you are okay and in good condition. Today I am going to talk about a great subject, because we know nowadays everyone is seeking for ways to make extra cash money. Today I will talk about one most legitimate website that can make you to make cash money. I am going to talk a little about this society. Its name is Airbnb. It is a privately held global company headquartered in San Francisco, of course in USA, that operates an online marketplace and hospitality service which is accessible via its websites and mobile applications. Then members can use the service to arrange or offer lodging, primarily homestays or tourism experiences. More information. No matter what kind of home or room you have to share, Airbnb makes it simple and secure to host travelers. You are in full control of your availability, prices, house rules, and how you interact with guests. Then you don't have to be scared about nothing, because Airbnb will make everything clear. Also, the guests are verified, because Airbnb always requires guests to provide certain information before they can make a reservation. For example, such as confirmed phone number and email address. For added control, you can require guests to also provide recommendation from other hosts and a verified ID, like passports or driver license or national identity. Airbnb protects hosts to keep you, your home and your belongings safe. They cover every booking with $1 million in property damage protection and another $1 million US in insurance against accidents. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you subscribe in my channel and like, and maybe to share it with your other friends. For joining or to be member of this biggest company in the world, you will find the links in the description. I hope good luck for everyone, and see you in another video. Bye bye.